What's up, everybody? This is Eddie with Flex, and it is about to go down in Chi-Town because we are bringing the Flex to IMTS September 12th through the 17th. Make sure to swing by booth 236-430 to get a real-time, hands-on demo of our industry-leading tapping units, or learn more about our other amazing Flex machine tools. At the show, we'll be featuring our tried and true pneumatic and our supercharged electric flex arm tapping machines. So stop on by to see and feel the Flex for yourself. And finally, you won't want to miss your chance to meet one of the biggest content creators in the industry, A-Bomb79 at the Flex booth on Wednesday the 14th. So come hang out, grab a selfie, and get your Flex on at booth 236-430. Until then, you all stay awesome, stay flexing, and we'll see you in Chicago.